Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. This is Sylvia. Welcome to my channel. So today I have an unboxing video of a very yummy box, and it's the one from Universal Yums. So I have been a subscriber of this box for quite some time. I upgraded last year to the next biggest box, to the Yum Yum box. If you're not familiar with Universal Yums, it's a subscription service that sends you snacks from a different country every month, and they have three different sizes. They have the Yum box, which I believe sells for around $15. I will put all the information down below in the description box, including a link where you can sign up if you would like to. But I'm getting the Yum Yum box, which is the medium size. They also have a Super Yum box. So this month's country, let's find out what they're sending me. And I get quite a few snacks with this. I think it's 11 snacks are listed on here on this list. So today we're gonna travel to Poland together. They sent me snacks from Poland. Okay, let's find out what's in here. The way I do this unboxing is I usually open all the snacks, I try them, and I rate them according to how I like them. They also send you a little brochure that has quizzes in it, a little bit of information about Poland. I'm just going to have a very brief look. So here's an interesting fact about Poland, what you might not know about Poland. So Poles traditionally celebrate name days, or also called imieniny, probably mispronounced, more than birthdays. So almost all Polish names correspond to a Catholic saint, and every day of the year is assigned at least one male and one female saint. The day that matches your name is your name day, and celebrations include small gifts like chocolate and vodka, as well as singing Poland's version of Happy Birthday, called 100 lat. One word in Poland, or one phrase, is na zdrowie. Sounds kind of Russian to me, but what do I know? And if you hear this, in Poland, it means one of two things. It could mean that someone just sneezed, or a toast is being made. It means both, bless you and cheers. And they have a little trivia in here. Let me just ask you one question, find out. Poland is home to the largest statue of Jesus, pine tree, observation deck, or Wi-Fi tower. Okay, I'm gonna go with observation deck. 8A. Okay, it's the statue of Jesus, 172 feet. The Pomnik Chrystusa Króla, Christ the King statue is in Swiebodzin. It's the tallest statue of Jesus in the world. There you go. There you have it. What else we got? Okay, let's dive into our snacks. I'm so excited. Okay. Okay, first we got cheese and onion pretzel sticks. And they look like this. So, the cheesiest, zestiest sticks in Poland. You're about to taste a mouth-watering medley of Poland's two favorite foods, pretzels and pierogi. Pierogi. Pretzels are Poland's favorite salty snack, spanning everything from soft varieties served at local restaurants to crunchy ones like these, considered standard fare for visiting house guests. So let's try these pretzels, cheese and onion flavored. They do have a flavor to them. Definitely onion. I can taste the onion, but it's not too strong, not too intense. And the cheese. These are pretty yummy. I like them. Try go what? My dog wants to try them too. Here you go. You want to try it? A Poland pretzel stick. Very good. So I'm giving these pretzel sticks a 2. Good. The next one is cocoa glazed gingerbread sticks. And they look like this. So, spiced Polish biscuit sticks dipped in chocolate. The holidays aren't over just yet. We've got one more Polish tradition to squeeze. It's not the one where Poles prepare a whopping 12 dishes for Christmas, each representing one of Jesus' disciples, or the one where they eat carp for good luck. Lucky Poles. Some Poles even keep the fish's scales in their wallets for good measure. Go away, Teddy, my kitty. Or the one where they watch the country's most beloved holiday film, Home Alone. Though over there it's called Kevin, Sam, W, Domu, literally Kevin alone in the house. Take a bite of the cookie in stick form. Each stick is made from a special recipe of ginger, cinnamon, and star anise, then coated with rich chocolate. Enjoy the last bites of the holidays. So those pretzel sticks, I still can taste them in my mouth. I think they're going to be very addicting. I could just finish the whole pack right now. They're very good. So let's try these gingerbread sticks. It comes like this. And they look like this. No. Okay. So I don't care too much for the ginger. That's not my favorite flavor. Let me try one more. Oh, here's a double. I mean, it's not terrible. I just not a big fan of ginger, I guess. Although I do like chocolate, but I'm gonna have to give this one a 1. I'm gonna give like the lowest ranking. Okay. All right. Next comes the Monster Crunch Original Monster Munch potato chips. Poland's saltiest, scariest potato snacks. Fun fact, every year the average Pole eats over 250 pounds of potatoes. That's heavier than a baby elephant. So how are all these taters eaten? Beyond pierogi, there are plaki, oh my goodness, I can't pronounce this. Plaki simniaksane potato pancakes, that's what it is. Kluski, slaski, mashed potato dumplings, and knedli, plum stuffed potato balls. Sounds like Knödel, which is German. Those are potato balls. Knedli, Knödel. Cool. And for snacks, there's one clear standout, Monster Munch. With their light and airy crunch, perfect sprinkling of salt, and ghoulishly fun shape, these potato crisps are nothing short of a national treasure. In fact, when we picked up this product from its Polish factory, one of the workers smiled and said, "The Americans are getting the best of the best." Okay. Let's try these potato snacks. Crispy, yeah. Okay. So they're all kind of broken, it seems like, but they look like this. So they're very thin and very crispy. They're pretty good. There's a little bit of kick missing, I feel like. So I'm going to give those a 2. They're okay. So far, I like the pretzel sticks best. So let me rate those potato chips, and I'm going to give them a 2. Then the next is Yogusi yogurt candy, strawberry, raspberry, peach, or lemon yogurt inside. What you doing, buddy? Is this it? I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Probably this one. Maybe. Yeah. It's a bag. So this is with dairy. I have milk fudges. Let me see. All right, I'm wrapping it. Come on. No. Don't like it. That one wasn't good. Maybe a different flavor would be better. But this is hard candy. Yeah. I'm gonna have to give those a 1. I did not taste good. I feel like I wanna go back to my pretzel sticks just to get that taste out of my mouth. Oh. Okay. Okay. Next is chocolate covered Pernitsky gingerbread. It's this one. No, sorry, it's not. Sorry, that was the wrong one. It's this one. So the legendary gingerbread of Torun, Poland. So it looks like this. It's gingerbread. Did you know that Frederick Chopin was a Polish composer? I had no idea. I always thought he was French, I guess. I just learned something new. So I don't like this too much either. Very dry. Gonna have to give this one a 1 too. Okay. Then we're gonna move on to Wedel milk chocolate with peanut and cocoa filling. That's this one here. Decadence, courtesy of Poland's oldest chocolatier. This is dense peanut butter, chocolate, and complete with bits of wafer. And I do not like it. I'm so sorry, but I'm a bit disappointed with this box. I don't like this one either. It tastes like very dense peanut butter. I do eat peanut butter from time to time, but I'm not a huge fan of peanut butter. But if it's like this heavy, it's not for me. So I'm gonna have to give this one a 1 as well. So in retrospect, I have to say that I want to give the cocoa glazed gingerbread sticks a 2 instead of a 1, because compared to what I just ate, they were actually quite good. Yeah. All right, a little bit disappointing, this box. Next come the butter and salt potato chips, a strange and savory chip. Butter potato chips, yes. In Poland, the combination is a no-brainer. They do eat a lot of potatoes. In fact, that the Polish version of the phrase, it's a piece of cake, it's actually bulka si maslem, or it's a roll with butter. Okay. Okay, let's try these. They look like this. Let me see. It's a pretty big bag. Butter and salt potato chips. Interesting. Let me see if my dog likes them. Wanna try one? Oh, he didn't like the salty pretzel. Mm. They taste okay. I'm gonna give these a 2. They're okay. The next one is iced mint Piernicki gingerbread. Poland's famous gingerbread with an unexpected glaze. Here we go again with ginger. Sending me a Christmas box in January. Okay, and it looks like this. Let me see what it tastes like. Glazed. I meant to eat these warm. I think it might taste better warm. It's a little dry, but it's not terrible. I'm gonna give these a 2 as well. Okay. Next comes another chocolate from Wedel. Dark chocolate with Panna Cotta filling. It's like, looks like this bar of chocolate. I'm gonna open this too. So it says dark chocolate inspired by the creamy Italian dessert. Piece of chocolate. Okay. So it says, when Italy and Poland work together, amazing things happen. It's pretty good, but a little sweet for me. I'm gonna give it a 2. It tastes, it has this creamy filling, this panna cotta filling that makes it very sweet. It tastes pretty light, but yeah, the filling inside is very sweet. But I'm gonna give this one a 2. And then the last one is, it's this one. Dark chocolate covered marshmallow bar. Poland's iconic pillowy cocoa covered treat. Ask anyone in Poland for the country's most famous chocolate, and they'll point you to Wedel. So we had several chocolate pieces in this box from this company. It's just as famous in Poland as Hershey's is in the US. Not to mention 40 years older, founded all the way back in 1851. Now, let's say you ask what Wedel's most famous confection is. They'd point you to this yum. Okay, let's give this a try. Let's find out. It looks like, yeah, it's got marshmallow. Yeah, this is good. This is good. I like this. See, it's got marshmallow inside. It's not too sweet. Not as sweet as the last one I tried. So this is good. I'm gonna give this one a 3. So at least I have 2 of the items rated as 3. No, Franco, you can't have chocolate. You know that. You're a puppy. No, okay. Gotcha. So my favorite. Okay, so I'm done. That was all the items that were in my box. I'm a bit disappointed this month. I didn't like most of these too much. Yeah. I did like these pretzel sticks very much. They taste really good. And the marshmallow chocolate bar. Those 2 are my favorites. Yeah. Okay. That's already it for my box. I've had some really good boxes in the past. They send you fun stuff, you know, things you would never try. Probably not even if you ever traveled to that country. But yeah, I'm always looking forward to getting my box in the mail, snacking on little things, you know. So if you're interested in giving this a try, look down in the description box. I'm sorry, I'm still chewing and talking at the same time. I put a link down there below that you can use to sign up if you'd like. And if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.